Welcome back to our channel. Creativity Stunning Scrap Metal is a fascinating journey that transforms discarded materials into captivating masterpieces. With a keen eye for details and captivate spirit, artisans breathe new life into rusty relics, turning them into the intricate sculpture that memorize and inspire from touring sculptures adoring public space to dedicate figures crafted from precious possibilities are endless. Each piece tell a story reflecting that artistic vision and history embedded with the materials itself through skills, manipulations and innovations techniques. Scrap metal is transformed into dynamic work of art, blending industrial gift with rustic finance. With every word of hammer strike, artisans' patience resonate, infusing metals with character and debate from abstracts from lifelike representations. Scrap metal art captivate viewers that its new beauty and thought-provoking symbolisms either its storing moments for the vehicles sculptures each creation invites viewers to explore the intricate beauty found in an expected place. So, join us this journey as we develop into the world of scrap metal, where creativity now no bounds and discarded materials find new purposes of meaning. Creating now no bounds. From discarded machinery to forgotten industrial reliance, every piece tells a story waiting to be reborn through the skills hand of artisans. Molten metal dance in the fog, symphony of spark and heat. Artisans envisions transformations, breathing life into raw materials. Demand absolutes from meticulous, precious, and wild. Blend and the sculptures oxings beauty with the unlocked source. Each sculpture is testament to reliance, fusion of past and present, ever rustic, reminiscent, and adoring. Prevent collections, scrap metal captivate heart and minds, reminding us on these extraordinary potentials hidden within the ordinary as we click for change. Metals echo through studios, artisans' imaginations now know bounds, sparking inspirations and next masterpieces waiting to be the unveiled of the world. Creating stunning scrap metal art, memorizing craft and belt innovations and sustainabilities we ignite with your guides. Abstracts repurposes discarded metal pieces into captivating sculpture. Not breathe new life into forgotten materials. Each piece tells a unique story showcasing the beauty of found and unexpected for the intricate sculpture for larger than life installations and possibilities are endless in this dynamic art form. As molten metal dance under skills hand of artisans, they transform ordinary objects into extraordinary masterpieces, providing creativity now no bounds. So meticulous craftsmanship and keen eye of details, these artisans shape new materials into work of art inspired that provokes thought. With every welder hammer strikes refined boundaries on traditional artistry, pushing the limit what can be achieved with metals. Either it is sleek, modern designs, rustic homage, and past scrap metal art. Captivate audience worldwide, inviting them into the world thought a new lines of creativity, resourcefulness, the texture to come across pile Discarded metals remember the potential swords become something truly remarkable of the handed of the skill artisans. In the reclaim of YouTube context exploring integrate process of crafting scrap metal art and reveal the world where discarded materials find new purposes and beauty. Each weld hammer strike a shaping techniques showcased for the videos not only demonstrate with artisan skills like a services testament to the limitless potentials of recycled materials. Weavers are drawn into the memorizing dance of flames, metal pieces meticulous fused together gradually forming into sculpture that duty and the humble origins in every piece scrap metals carefully selected and repurposed. Those artisans breathe life into the once considered waste carefully selected from repurposed that artisans breathe life into what once considered waste inspiring audience to view worldwide for the lines innovations and sustainability thought captivating narrations and visual story. YouTube channels dedicated to scrap metals art offer a window for the transformative power, creativity, and resourcefulness, innovating viewers to join the journey, turning ordinary into the extraordinary masterpieces. While discarded materials find life into the hand create minds from humble beginners, forgotten scraps, matter are transforming into captivating sculpture that capture the imaginations. Each piece tells a unique story reflecting the ignite and visions for artisans behind it through meticulous craftsmanship and boundless creativity. Scrap metal elevates your stunning work of art, showcasing the beauty that can emerge from the most unexpected source. Join us journey through this vibrant reclaim every twist, metals and further touch to reveals world of endless possibilities and inspiration. Scrap metal art is more just recycling, teasment, human creativity and resourcefulness. Artisans harm from potential scrap metal, turning rustic relics and forgotten fragments into stunning work of art through meticulous planning and precise craftsmanship. The sculptures metal shapes that defy conventional boundaries, welding, cutting, and shaping become tools experienced for artisans. Metals fragments into cohesive form, evoke emotions, and provoke thought. The process of creating scrap metal is diverse. Materials use some artisans meticulous plans, every detail, sketching designs, mapping protections before even touching metals throughout ambience, allowing the materials to guide their hands as they sculpture individually. Regardless approach, each piece of scrap metal is a labor of love, reflecting to artisans' vision and skills. One of the most striking aspects of scrap metal is the ability to repurpose this object with a rich history. All tools, automotive parts, and industrial machineries find new purposes as they are transformed into sculptures that tell stories for their past lives. Become a denser frozen creation, artisans owners legacy for the materials they work with, breathing new life into forgotten reliance of the past. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, scrap metal carries profound messages about the sustainability and environmental consciousness by repurposing materials that could otherwise end up for the landfills. Artisans highlight value of resourcefulness and recycling in the world, increasing beyond by the sculptures serve as reminder transformative powers for creativity, inspiring viewers to reconsider for their relationships with the object around them. Imagination now no bounds, humbles beginners as discarded scrap metals, forgotten masterpieces that captivate the imagination and their souls through skillful craftsmanship and boundless creativity that breathe new life into forgotten materials, transforming them into symbols of beauty, resilience, and innovations. As we marvel these sculptures, reminiscent for the infinite potential that lies within the pieces, scrap metal, and profound impact of human creativity in shaping outward. From Humble's beginning as the merged scrap metals, fragments, transformative, breathtaking sculptures, installations, and one inspiring work of art, join us we uncover the techniques, tools, inspirations behind this fascinating craft. From welding to sculptures, from step teaspoon to the artisan's vision and craftsmanship at the adoring moment for the dedicated masterpieces. Every piece tells a unique story for resilience and rebirth. Prepare for the amaze to embark our journey through the world of scrap metal art, where innovations now no bounds and beauty now to limits. With sculpture that defy conventional boundaries, every twist, blend, placement of the artisan's vision and skills as a piece formed together, symphony of textures, colors emerge, captivating sense and ignites imaginations. Whether it's storing sculpture, dedicate, wall hanging, each creation resonates with the energy of its origins, breathing new life into forgotten reliance. In the world where consumptions remain supreme, for the metal sculptures offer a poignant reminder for the beauty of lives within the discarded boundaries potential of the human spirit creates something extraordinary out of the extraordinary to dive into the world of scrap metal art and innovations now no bounds and every piece tell a story waiting to be heard. Each wedding a vehicle's creations, ordinary garden scrap metals, transcend conventional boundaries, offering a glimpse into the beauty that celebrate dignity, also champion environment. At its core, its art form not only celebrate integrity but also environment to its stewardships forgive to purposes materials once deems worthless. So immerse yourselves in world of the scrap metal art, where innovations, sustainability, and every piece tells its transformative. Either you are claying metals against metal or the dedicate precious mind dedicating. Video offer a glimpse for transformative power of arts, providing the beauty can be found even the most unlike of space. So sit back, relax, and prepare the maze to delve into the memorizing world of metal art. Space dedicated with elegance, masterpieces, scrap metal art transacting with humble origin it become during symbols, creativity and resilience. Thank you so much for watching this video.